AussieDoodle family. We're here with Eden Quinn's litter. They are checking out their new crate space and seeing what that's about. We just gave them baths, so they're super curly right now. They are amazing, growing like weeds. We see the vet on Thursday, so we'll be posting their updates then. They are awesome and amazing and so much fun. Say hi. There's Camilo and Bruno and Janet and Felix and Mirabelle and Tonito. So pretty babies. Just gonna let them play a little bit. They love the crate. It's new. Everything new is cool. Oh. They're doing really, really good. They're all love like their mama. Uh-oh. They are super fun at this age. They just want to love you and play with you and just do everything with you. Felix acting like a nut. They are awesome and amazing, and I just don't even know what to say. I am super blessed to be able to raise them. Say hi, Mirabelle. Hi, sweetie. I'm going to come for you. Yes, no. They all say hello. Getting close to going home time, which is kind of sad, but they will be such great, amazing people for you. And I hope you love them just as much as I do. Janet, it's okay. Y'all have a blessed day.